Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 8. This lesson is all about minor scales and minor keys, but mainly minor scales. So we've learned the key of E minor is the same as the key of G major, meaning it has all natural notes except for the F sharp. So the scale for E natural minor would be E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, and backwards. And that's what we call E natural minor. There are some other minor scales though, and each one is listed here in the unit and you can follow along in the music. So the E natural minor was the first scale we saw there, and the notes were E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. The next one we're going to learn is the E minor pentatonic scale, and it's the same notes. We're just going to skip the second note and the sixth note, so you end up with E, G, A, B, D, and then back to E. And that's a very common scale for improvising and playing blues, and so we will work more on that scale later. The next scale is a funny little sounding scale. It's called the E harmonic minor. It's just like the E natural minor scale, except we're going to raise the D to a D sharp. And it's going to give it a funny sound. It's the seventh note. It's going to be raised up one. So the notes would be E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp, E. And backwards. D sharp, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And this scale is commonly associated with a lot of music from Eastern European countries. It's used a lot with this kind of sound. And it's got that big step and a half from the C to the D sharp is a big stretch. So it's got a very distinctive sound. The next one we're going to learn is the E Dorian scale, and it's also referred to as a Dorian mode. And it's just like the natural minor scale, except instead of raising the seventh scale degree, we're going to raise the sixth scale degree. So it's going to have a C sharp. So it's going to sound like this. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, and backwards. E, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And this is the scale that Santana favors for a lot of his music. Here we go. That's the Dorian scale, and that's where you're likely to hear that sound. The last one is the E melodic minor, and technically this scale ascends the way it's written here with the raised sixth and raised seventh, and descends as a natural minor scale. So if you're looking at it in the classical music theory book, it would say ascend, meaning going higher like this. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and then E, and then you would descend like a natural minor scale. E, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E. But many jazz improvisers will play the scale ascending and descending the same way with the raised sixth and seventh, and so it sounds like this. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and we'll descend the same way. E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E. That scale is the ascending and descending versions were popular in a lot of early Baroque music, and so if you listen to the Bach Bourrée in E minor, that song uses this natural melodic minor scale extensively. All right, so practice your scales, and mainly what I want you to do is just be able to understand that there are many different types of minor scales, and as you explore improvising further in your guitar playing, you will start to use those scales more. But for right now, I just wanted to make you familiar with them. Okay, so practice, and we're going to know that. Practice some more. We'll see you at the next lesson.